Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Slime Rancher. We are here right off our new expansion and we're looking around to see what we can find. Maybe we can find a new slime to combine with our boom slime, or maybe even pick up a couple more. Looks like there's another one of the Gordos over there. I don't know that I can make that jump and don't feel like testing it, so we're gonna not. Probably need a jetpack. A ball? Huh, that's interesting. I used to come to this beach to think. I'd sit and stare at those distant rings and ruminate on who created them and for what purpose, but most of all, I'd sit here and think of her, H. Oh. Interesting. Oh, here's some of those square fruits. Ow, 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 ow. Hi. I never picked water up. Oh, shoot. I never picked water up. I need water. Just gonna ignore big tar slimes. Oh, there's so many of them. Okay, never mind. I'm out. I'm out. No, I don't have water. You know what? A pond. Alright, let's go handle those tar slimes. Okay, those look like ribs. Alright, that's where I just was. These are some of the pink rock largos. Interesting. What's up here? Oh, that's another key that we don't have. More tabby slimes. Okay, it doesn't look like this area has any new slimes. So we're gonna go check that other area out again and see about finding some more of the boom slimes and see if there's anything else over there as well. Okay, so we're back in this new area that we got 2 episodes ago. This is the one that I struggled to figure out the way out of. Oh look, there's a couple more boom slimes right there. You, come here. That's 3, so combined with the one we already have, that'll give us our 4. Awesome. Oh, there's a couple more over there. 5. One more? You're a pink largo. Oh, and now there's slime. I mean, tar. What is this? Treasure pod is locked. So let's see if we can find something to combine with our boom slimes. Well, here is a Rock Gordo. This is interesting. Is this another area to a new, or another path to a new area? Or no? Well, yes and no. This place is huge. More pink and rock slimes. Wait. Hi. Puddle slime. I'm gonna put that in my new pond. I used to come here when I needed a good soak. It's a great way to clear your head. Sometimes I'd catch a puddle slime blushing, and I could never tell if it was because I was in my bathing suit or not. Well, that's a dead end. There's a new slime over there, though. I want it. I feel like there was like a jetpack expansion for my equipment. I'm gonna go see if I can get that. Alright, so let's drop off our puddle slime into their new environment. Right here. There you go. Hopefully they stick around. There are these boom slimes in here. Alright, now let's see. Jetpack. Keep your head in the clouds with this amazing personal jetpack. Cool. I'm gonna purchase that as well. Alright, so now I can hold space and fly for a short bit. Awesome. Alright, let's see. What are you? Red slime. Ow, ow, stop it. But you're not red, you're green. Why are you saying red slime when you're green? Red slime. Its radiance is so lovely it makes you sick. Oh, rad, not red. Favorite is Oka Oka, diet veggies. It's unknown if rad slime, sometimes called raddies, came to be from external radiation sources or from something naturally occurring within the far, far range. Regardless, rad slimes emit such a potent aura of radiation they glow in the dark. Rad slime's radioactive aura can induce rad poisoning in a rancher if they remain within it for too long. Ranchers are advised to monitor their rad exposure levels when handling these green globs of gamma goo, as extended exposure can cause serious bodily harm or worse. Okay, so note to self, don't stay in their thing for long. Alright. So that's gonna be what I pair with my, crystal slime. Okay. Okay, so I need to get back so that I don't get too bad on the rad poisoning. Okay, definitely need to get out of there. Oh, darn it. to put something to keep them happy. Okay, net. Air net. 425, I don't have enough. I need veggies. They eat veggies. These veggies? Oh, these produce carrots as well. Interesting. So I could very easily get rid of my carrot plot. Because these produce the odd onions. And they're all out of food as well. This is gonna go badly. Wait, where did I put... Oh, I died, so I lost that crystal slime. Unless it's around here somewhere, but I don't think it is. Darn. That sucks. Okay, so assuming that those Gordos eat the same things as their respective types, rock slimes eat veggies. So if I could get a bunch of veggies, I could theoretically go get that other Gordo. The rock one that's in that second area we found. Check, make sure that these guys have plenty of food before I leave. There's 24 in there. 47 in there. Yeah, they're plenty. And 30 in there. So yeah, y'all should be good while I'm gone. Let's grab some more veggies. I'm also gonna put an air net on here before I leave. There we go. Y'all stay put. Alright, let's go see if we can pop that plort. Or pop that slime, sorry. Alright. Here you go, dude. How much are you gonna take? It still wasn't enough? I saw a bunch of veggies out this way, so we'll go pick some up. Alright, I got you 18 more. Is that gonna be enough? Yep, okay. Lots of rock slimes. What's in the crate? Another rock slime. Okay, okay. Whoa! Wait, where am I? Where am I? That's blocked off. What is this place? What is this place? Ooh. I don't know where I am or how to get back to my... No! Well, that's one way to get back. Ah, darn it. That's one way to get back, I guess. Well, we've got plenty of money now, so I think we'll go ahead and buy the next expansion as well. Achievement unlocked. Plort Authority. Cool. So let's go ahead and purchase this next expansion, I guess. The Grotto, a dark and gloomy cavern above the sea, and a likely first chapter to that novel of yours. Purchase. Alright, so... Ooh, that is a very narrow passage. Interesting. This is cool. Oh. So this takes me here. If I had literally just purchased that before trying to explore, it would have all been fine. Oh, the irony. What's this? That's blocked off still. Okay. Before I left the ranch, I found myself sleeping most nights in this here grotto. I'd fill it full of phosphor slimes and watch them dance in the dark. Drifting off, I'd pretend I was drifting in a sea of stars across the limitless blank of space. It's funny how when you dream, you sure become a sucker for the impossible. Every time I woke to find myself back in the grotto, I'd feel a little sadness, but then it was back to work. There was always something that needed doing. Yeah, it's just sad. Another one of those teleporters. Let's see if those petal slimes produced any plorts. Oh, they have. They've produced a bunch. Wait, how much is this one? 5,000? I could get that easy. Alright, well, I do believe I've died enough this episode, so I think I'm going to call it here. Thank you all so very much for watching, and if you're enjoying this series, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you all in the next episode of Slime Rancher. Bye!